Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you all how to hide pictures in gallery on Vivo V29 Lite. So firstly go into the albums, tap on the picture that you would like to hide, tap on more, now tap on move to album, wait, no, move to hide, tap on hide, hide, and as you can see I cannot access this picture anymore. But if I go ahead and do I access the locked folder? Tap on the gear icon and tap on hidden photos. Here is our hidden picture. So that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.